So here we are at 11 Woodpecker Way, a lovely 4-bedroom detached family home. We've got a driveway providing parking for several vehicles. Let's take a look inside. Upon entering the property, we've got a spacious entrance hallway with a staircase rising to the first floor. We've got a downstairs cloakroom in here, and a door leading into the kitchen breakfast room. Really good size, got a range of matching units to eye and base level. We've got the utility room also in here with a door leading out onto the side. You've got your space for white goods. In the kitchen there's also a useful cupboard there. If we make our way into the dining area, we've got sliding doors leading to the garden. And we've got the sitting room with a large window overlooking the front of the property. And also we've got what was the garage. It's now been converted to a TV room with, again, a large window overlooking the front. Let's take a look upstairs. Up on the first floor, we've got a generous size landing with the airing cupboard in there. Take you around to the master bedroom at the front of the property in here. Got a range of built-in wardrobes there and a lovely large window overlooking the front. Also got the benefit of an ensuite shower room in here. And we've got another good size double bedroom in here at the rear of the property. We've got the family bathroom, modern white suite, and the bath there. We've got bedroom 4 in here, overlooking the rear garden, and a really good size second bedroom at the front of the property. A range of built-in wardrobes, and again a very large window letting plenty of natural light in. Let's take a look outside. Out in the rear garden we've got a seating terrace that immediately adjoins the rear of the property. Got a lawned area over here with stepping stones leading down to a large timber shed with a further seating terrace. Got a view to the rear of the property there. So here we are at number 11 Woodpecker Way. If you'd be interested in arranging a viewing, then please give us a call at Mansell McTaggart in Uckfield.